Hello, if you're in a hurry and would like to know more about Nutanix Crossplay, our low-code, no-code automation tool, look no further than Nutanix Crossplay Quick Bytes. In today's Quick Bytes, we'll explore an action introduced in Prism Central 2023.3. Let's take a look. Let's say we have a computing environment designed for intensive workloads, and within it, there is a virtual machine based on a gold image that is prone to modifications. If you wish to restore this VM to a previous state, you can achieve this by the VM restore action that reverts to a weekly snapshot. Let's go ahead and create a playbook by switching to the Intelligent Operations dashboard. Click Playbooks, click Create Playbook. We can schedule this playbook based on a time-based trigger, but in this example, let's select the manual trigger. Let's leave the entity type as VM, click Add Action. Let's search for VM Restore Action. Let's choose the VM Restore Action. In this example, let's choose Revert and the recovery point in time as latest. Click Save and Close. Give the playbook a name. Let's enable the playbook and click Save. Now let's go ahead and run this playbook on a VM. Let's select our VM. Click on this VM. We'll be running our playbook on this VM. This VM has been configured with 2 GB bytes of memory. Click recovery points. A recovery point, which is the gold image of the VM, exists. This gold image was configured with 1 GB byte of memory. Click Actions, select Run Playbook. Select our playbook and click Run. You can see that our playbook operation has been successfully submitted. Let's switch to the Intelligent Operations dashboard to check on our playbook status. Click Playbooks. Click on our playbook, click Place. You can see that the status is succeeded. Let's switch to the infrastructure dashboard to check if our VM has been restored to the gold image. Click VMs. You can see that our VM has been restored to its gold image with 1 GB bytes of memory. That was a quick look at the latest action introduced in Prism Central 2023.3. We hope this action makes it easier to automate your IT admin tasks. Stay tuned for our next video.